Want your kids to learn how to code and love it? Meet CodeMonkey. CodeMonkey is a fun, game-based program that helps kids from 5 to 14, whether they are in pre-reading using CodeMonkey Jr. or learning real Python and game development. It turns screen time into skill-building time. It's award-winning and COPA compliant. It's designed to be both funny and safe for kids. CodeMonkey builds problem-solving skills, logic skills, and creativity. No experience needed, whether at home or in the classroom. With CodeMonkey, my students love it. They have so much fun. Now there's different skills like block coding and text coding. There's different levels like beginning and intermediate. And then the advanced ones, the ones that just pick it up really quick, they start getting to work with Python. And there's even some STEM mini courses that the kids just have a blast with. There is something for everyone with CodeMonkey. And CodeMonkey makes it accessible to all kids, no matter their background. Coding is a high demand skill, and learning to code is like learning a new language. It builds confidence and it opens doors. So try CodeMonkey free today and help your child become a confident, creative coder. The link will be in the description down below, and use my code to get 25% off.